Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to send money from Australia to Bangladesh using Remitly. Super easy and quick. First, open the Remitly app and tap Manage at the bottom right. Then under Sending to, tap the drop down menu and search for Bangladesh. Select the Bangladesh flag. Next, tap Send in the middle bottom of your screen, then choose Send to New Recipient. Pick Bangladesh again and enter the amount you want to send. Yours will show Australian dollars. Now choose the delivery method, how your recipient will get the money, mobile money, bank deposit, or cash pickup. I'll pick bank deposit. Then select their bank. Choose your payment method, debit card or credit card or Apple Pay or bank transfer. I'll go with debit card. Scroll down, tap continue and enter their account number, routing number, and other details. That's it, your money's on its way. If this helped you, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.